Beware Network MLM Schemes, by Phil Peen, www.philreviewwebbizscams.info. Do you want to join a network MLM, network multi-level marketing, scheme but cannot separate the reality from all the hype? Have you been gathering information on a number of these schemes and still find yourself confused about what to do and suffering from information overload? Identifying the business opportunity that is genuine and will be a good match for the way you like to work can be quite a challenge. If you are looking at network MLM, often referred to as network marketing, this article will hopefully point you in the right direction, or at least give you some advice to help with the decision making. With network MLM, a company relies on a network of distributors to sell and distribute their products and services directly to customers. Each distributor earns their income from commission on the sales they make directly to customers and also through commission on the sales made by those distributors they recruit. A key benefit of network MLM is that all the distributors in your downline earn commission for you. You make money on every sale they make, even when you are off sunning yourself on a beach in Florida. The more distributors you recruit, and the more distributors they recruit, the greater your income potential month in month out. To be successful, you want to recruit as many active distributors as possible and get them to do the same. You need to build a team that is actively recruiting new distributors and also actively selling directly to the customers. It sounds great, but unfortunately all is not always what it seems. So before joining any scheme, please consider the following. 1. Research the network MLM company thoroughly. Do due diligence. Find out how successful their distributors really are and what a typical distributor really earns. There are a number of good network marketing programs out there, but for many, claims of 5-figure monthly incomes are truly the exception and not the rule. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. 2. Don't get ripped off. You must be able to distinguish the scams from the genuine programs. Few good genuine schemes insist that you pay a fee to join. Be very wary of any mention of joining fees. 3. Be skeptical when it comes to the claims made on the websites and in their marketing material. Spend time visiting the various network MLM forums. What are the current distributors saying about the company, its products and sales expectations? Are they generally pleased with the scheme or are they unhappy? 4. Ask the network MLM company that you are interested in to give you contact details of some distributors near you or ask that they contact you. Call them up and keep asking questions until you are satisfied with the answers. If this is going to be a new career or just a means of earning money part-time, you don't want to be putting your time and energy into a network MLM scheme until you know you have a genuine winner. Internet Marketing and Mentoring course normally $1,995, currently available for $1. See www.philreviewwebbizscams.info.